How to make a post private on your creator account page on Patreon. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make any post private easy and fast. First thing, go to your creator account on Patreon. As you can see right here, this is my page on Patreon. Now all what you have to do is scroll down until you find your post that you want to make it private, and then I'm gonna choose this one. Click here on this little icon of the pencil and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is choose if you want to make it for patterns only, or select attire, or you can delete it from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.